Very good morning, children. In this video, we are going to discuss disorders of digestive system. Before that, we discussed two questions in previous video. Let us discuss what are those questions. Yes, fat where we reserve either in the membrane or in the tissue. Yes, very good. Many of you answered it is adipose tissue. We are reserving our fat during assimilation. Fine. Okay. Next question we discuss from where the impulse is going to the brain for defecation. Yes, it is from rectum. Yes, that is also the correct answer. Now we will see what are the disorders commonly enlisted for digestive system. First one is jaundice. Jaundice occurs due to excess bilirubin pigment. You know, this only will convert into stercobilin and gives coloration to the fecus, or congenital liver problem. Right from the birth, the liver is having some disorder, congenital liver disorder, or bile duct is blocked. In these three conditions, of course, jaundice will happen. In this case, the eye and skin turns yellow. Second one, after jaundice, we have vomiting. Vomiting is egating out all the stomach content. So, stomach contents are coming out through mouth. Okay, so that is what we call it as vomiting. And vomiting center located where is a very common question, children. Of course, it is located in medulla. So it is a reflex activity. Then diarrhea. So they may ask question, if in intestine it is not reabsorbed properly, water, okay, juices is not reabsorbed, is less, it may leads to diarrhea. Of course, it is leads to improper bowel movement. Then fourth one is constipation. So in constipation, the peristalsis in rectum it is stored. Of course, irregular bowel movement. Please understand irregular and improper. So irregular bowel movement leads to constipation. Okay. And then next one is indigestion. So indigestion, what happens in this case? Either eating spicy food or it may be due to anxiety or it may be due to food poisoning or enzyme deficiency, overeating. All these conditions may lead to indigestion. Of course, symptoms of indigestion, again vomiting, all that. And vomiting, along with that, we have a feeling, nausea will be there. Okay. I hope you understood these 5 disorders. Now let us see the next one. Marasmas. Marasmas and KWARSHORKAR both are due to famine, starving. Okay, so these conditions or insufficient intake of protein and calories may lead to marasmus. So less protein intake or calories intake. This will affect less than 1 year baby. So what are the symptoms we can diagnose from these babies? Okay, so they'll have chronic diarrhea. When they have chronic diarrhea, of course, you know, the next problem arises due to diarrhea is dehydration, wasting of muscle. When muscle is not there, of course, loss of weight. When protein is not there, brain malfunctioning. So, brain is not working in a proper manner like other children. And this children looks like a skeletal baby. We can even find the ribs. Okay, ribs are visible, rib bones. They have a good appetite, okay, they are voracious eaters, they'll eat, but even then they'll get this problem because of low calories in their food, okay. So if you take the other side, KWARSHORKAR, so it is also less protein food only, it affects the children between 1 year to 3-year baby. Here important symptom is edema. Edema means, you know, children, it is swelling. We can find it in the feet, ankle, and also in the stomach. So they'll have belly pot, like pot belly they used to say. Okay. Apart from that, of course, they'll also have the diarrhea, wasting of muscle, brain growth is affected. But these children, you can't say they are voracious feeder and all. So they won't eat too much, okay. And then if you see, they'll have, yes, so they are not voracious feeder, they have the immunity challenge also. So immune system is under challenge. So these are the symptoms we can find in KWARSHORKAR. I hope children you understood the chapter digestion and absorption. You will get 3 to 4 questions from this chapter, children. Now let me ask you one question. You imagine a baby who is having a 6 months baby having mother's milk. Now substituted to the low calorie diet will be suffering with what digestive disorder? Can you post your answers in the comment box as always, children? Thank you all. Please share and support and subscribe this channel.